Länsipuisto 23 in the Pori. Staircase B. That is asuntoskeittiö Pori Länsipuisto 23. In 1981 it's 40220. I filmed staircase yesterday with to run his it and but just one ride because it was busy. Now 2 rides. Sixth floor. It's very rare. Kone Classicin with atomic doors in apartment building, single speed and no bumper. Seven floors from 80s and still single speed. They are quite common, bit without any doors, but not with atomic doors. Ground floor. 4 persons, so 325 kilograms. Amazing wooden cap also. Amazing lamp floor indicator, but it works bad. It should say the number longer. And B and 4th and 5th floor are broken. 6th floor. Inspected by QI inspectant, maintained by Kone. We have found just 10 or something or sell single speed letters without bumper and similar like this. They are even rare in apartment buildings. That's